subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks. There, baby.
Don't listen to them. I don't mind that you're only two-wheel drive, automatic. I like you just the way you are, my pavement princess. It's just you and me, baby. Oh. I didn't see you there. Welcome back to the channel. If you're a third gen, best gen, 4Runner freak like me, come on in. Oh, you're so soft yet so rugged. You're just like those old early 2000s Toyota commercials. You're the same as the day you left the factory in Japan.
Don't worry, baby.
I got you. Don't mind the mean boys on the forums. Don't mind the angry boys on the forums. They're just jealous. They're jealous of your simplicity, your immaculate conception, your shorter drive shaft, your lighter weight. It's what I look for in a sport utility vehicle. Oh. What's that? Oh. Oh. Oops. Getting a little carried away.